DALY launches new 4th generation Qiqiang Truckster BMS, compatible with more imported high-power vehicle models, integrated Bluetooth 4-start switch, quadruple capacitor high voltage absorption, scheduled heating function. Regarding the harness wiring, first, check whether solder joints of the harness are detached or enamel. Second, measure whether the cell voltage of the harness is within the nominal voltage range. Third, apply adhesive to the solder joints and input terminals of the harness. 3 key precautions. First, the solder joints of the harness must be positioned at the center of the battery tabs to prevent voltage drop caused by high current leading to measurement errors. Second, apply adhesive at the BMS connection terminals of the harness to enhance stability. Third, waterproof the BMS connection interior of the battery keys to prevent water ingress from causing abnormal BMS voltage measurement. Regarding the temperature control line, first, ensure the temperature control line is flat against the cell surface and fixed with adhesive. Second, verify the temperature control line is not folded and has sufficient slack. Third, secure the temperature control plug to the BMS input socket with adhesive. Note: if temperature readings are abnormal, replace the temperature control line. The BMS integrates the heating module. Heating fuel cables can be directly connected to the heating fuel. Users should select heating fuels with appropriate power ratings. Bluetooth switch installation. First, insert the Bluetooth end of the connecting cable into the switch port. Then connect the BMS port of the connecting cable to the BMS. This completes the Bluetooth switch installation. Short press 1 second. Green light indicates entering working mode. Red light indicates battery level less than 10% or BMS triggers critical fault or protection. Short press 2 to 4 seconds. Green light flashes for 60 seconds, activating full start mode. Long press 10 seconds. Red light flashes. BMS enters shutdown mode. During installation, apply adhesive to the connection button pack and Bluetooth switch. BMS wiring demonstration. Connect one end of the P-negative cable to P-negative terminal of the BMS. Connect positive power line of the load to battery main positive terminal. Connect the other end of positive power line to generator positive terminal. Connect the other end of P-negative cable to generator negative terminal. Refer to this wiring diagram for 4th Gen Qiqiang connections. Prepare for starting 540 horsepower truck. Ignition successful. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Find the Bluetooth code near the edge of the switch button. Open the Smart BMS app and select the corresponding Bluetooth code to connect. Once connected, you can view battery status and parameter information. Demonstration of the app full start function. Tap the 1-key full start button in the app. The BMS will enter the full start state. If the engine does not start successfully with 16 seconds, the BMS modes will automatically restore the power off state. Demonstration of the app heating function. Manual heating function. If the battery temperature is between -20 to 40 degrees Celsius and the truck cannot start, tap the 1-key heating button in the app. Once heating is completed, the vehicle can be started.